became inspired to make my course more affordable when this office told me about the initiative and how it's kind of a larger institutional priority for SF State to be mindful about how we're asking students to spend the dollars that they have available for instructional materials. So much of that material is accessible online for free that it only took a little bit of legwork, and it makes a huge difference for students. I think I've noticed in my classes when students have affordable materials, or in my case, no-cost materials, is that they're much more open with each other. Because they're all working from the same edition, and they're all working from the same page numbers, which sounds like a small benefit, but it really isn't. And it also kind of gets across a larger priority in terms of thinking about what open access to knowledge means and why it should be of value. The university is putting all of these resources into creating knowledge, then people should be able to access it for free. We shouldn't have to pay extra for materials that we're already creating. And so having that right in front of students, that knowledge is something they should be able to access freely, kind of filters out into their willingness to share amongst themselves. That it no longer is like a dragon hoarding the knowledge that they went and found because they bought it, that then it helps create a community practice for students who then begin to see themselves as scholars, discussing material that everyone has access to.